Okay, I'm going to make a freestanding gun vise, or not a gun vise, a rifle stand for down at the range. So I took apart a TV stand, and I'm going to use some of the wood off that, not very much. It wasn't a very big stand, so you can use that and some other stuff I got, and see how it goes. I angled that bottom piece there. That looks brown, but it's not. That's just from the sun. Um, and the top piece where I put these notches, there's also magnets in there, which, I mean, they hold it a little bit, but it's actually pretty stout, and I can nail it to the deck if I want, make it a little more secure, but I'm not sure exactly where I want. I'm thinking about just nailing one corner, and then I can pivot it if I want, and then I barely have to reach from the shooting bench. Can hold 7. I put rubberized undercoating on the bottom, and actually on the top there too. And I just use scrap lumber that I actually got at the dump, but it's mostly hardwood. Some cedar on there, and then the base was like from a TV stand or something like that, but it's oak. And I painted it with asphalt undercoating. So there you go. That's my shooting range gun rack.